Specialized Training College. Is STC the smartest path to Japan? So, this video is about specialized technical colleges in Japan where you can get some practical skills. And in this video, we will cover what is STC and if it is the best way to go to Japan for Indian students. So, if your goal is Japan, you need to make a smart decision early. Do you want a degree or do you want a job? Because STC is not a traditional academic path, it is a career first pathway. And most Indian students either don't know about it or misunderstand it completely. In this video, I will give you a clear, honest breakdown of STC with real insights and not just information. What STC really is. So I want to simplify this for you. STC is Japan's skill development system. It is designed to produce employable professionals, not just graduates. In India, we focus heavily on theory first, but in Japan, STC colleges, they focus on skills first. You are trained for a specific job role from day one. That's why companies in Japan value STC students for practical roles. So, why Indian students should pay attention to STC? So, there is something most people won't tell you. Not every student needs a 4 year college degree. If your goal is to start a career which is faster, with hands on skill, and your goal is working in Japan, then STC can be a smarter choice than the university route. But only if you choose it with clarity, of course. So let's look at the eligibility. So officially you need to be 12th pass, but realistically selection depends on your clarity of why you want to be in Japan. Your consistency in academics is also very important. Your willingness to adapt to a new system, new culture, and most importantly, your seriousness about your career. Because STC is not easy once you go there. So, what are the benefits of studying in STC? Let's talk about its benefits now. So, first is if you are going to go through MEXT, of course, there will be MEXT funding. So, you can apply to STC through MEXT scholarship as well, and the competition is very, very limited. I think it's also because of lack of awareness and lack of planning. Because if you are not going through MEXT, then you need a high level of Japanese language skills. If you're going through MEXT, of course, you don't just save money, but you remove any financial pressure on yourself completely. Um, but other than that, even if you don't choose MEXT and you go to STC, it's a faster career entry. Compared to India, you enter the workforce much earlier. It is industry aligned, so courses are designed to be job ready and they are not just subjects. And employability in Japan is very high for students who are graduates from STC. Companies trust STC graduates for technical and support roles. And you get the language advantage. You get structured Japanese training, which becomes your biggest asset along with your skills that you will learn in STC. So, now let's address something which is more important. Yes, there are two ways apply to STC. One is MEXT route, which is the best option for students who do not know any Japanese language. So this is one of the best options if you do not know Japanese, because it will be fully funded, it will be a structured process, and language training will be included in your program. Direct admission, it is possible to get direct admission in STC, but of course it's difficult. Difficult because you need strong Japanese, usually N2 level of Japanese. You need financial backup and you also need to handle everything yourself. This is why 90% of the students who go to STC, they prefer MEXT scholarship. But I encourage students to start looking at STC courses even without MEXT scholarship and start your Japanese preparation early on. So let's look at the timelines where most students falter and they fail. So applications will open around April to May, but the preparation should start much earlier. My recommendation would be to start somewhere in October or November and start building basics in maths and English. Start learning Japanese early. Understand the exam pattern, because when applications open, you should already be prepared, not hurrying and not starting then. Let me be very honest here, STC is not for everyone. If you're not serious, if you're not clear, if you're not ready to adapt, you're not willing to learn Japanese, and you're not willing for the initial teething issues, struggles, then, but if you're focused, this can be one of the most rewarding pathways to build a career in Japan. STC is not a backup option, it is a strategic choice for the right student. It can be faster. In many ways, it can be more smart and more career oriented than a traditional degree. Do not wait and start learning Japanese now. Start planning your Japan journey right now. For real structured guidance, follow our channel, follow Education Japan on various platforms. And if you're serious, please fill the counseling form. It is in the description and get in touch with us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, and share the video.